When you are passionate about something and when you act on it, then you are in tune with the nature and universe. Then your energy attracts similar energy levels and makes your ideas or passion happen. The universe conspires it to make it a success. So like energies get attracted. So have a positive thinking in life. Clearly visualize what you aspire in life. Be grateful for what you have in life. Gratitude is one of the more important things in life. Be content. Surrender and accept. Forgive. Don't worry about what you don't have. What you have is enough for you. Normally we say opposites attract, but the truth is it is the likes that attract. Universe is all about harmony. Similar energy is attracted. Like attracts like. So be grateful, be thankful for what you have gratitude and work towards what you aim. Then the universal energy also will help you achieve what you have, what you want to have. Thank you.